Not sure if anybody else has experienced like warping on the brake disc, but I had to order the left side brake disc. I'm not sure if you can put it on either side. The guy said that the left is for the left and the right is for the right. I'm not sure how accurate that is, but I ordered a front left side disc brake, and I'm gonna attempt to replace it. I've taken the tires off before. I don't think it's gonna be that hard, but yeah, they're warped, at least the left side, because when I took the wheel off you can hear it grinding. So I'm gonna attempt to take this off and replace it, and I'll let you know. Alright, so I changed the left rotor. It definitely makes a big difference. I don't hear it on that side, but now the right side I hear it slightly. It's not as loud as the left side was, but it's definitely there. The old one there. There's definitely a curve to it. I'm pretty sure you can't see it on there. But it's definitely making a lot of noise. New one's in. It took about 20-30 minutes till I figured out how to just kind of like take this 15mm bolt out, top and bottom, and I was kind of able to move the caliper, slide the rotor out, put the new one in, put everything back, tightened it, put the wheel on. But now I feel like the right side I can hear it slightly. It's not as loud, but it's definitely there. If I happen to change the left one, I'll let you guys know. But that's it for now. Bye.